You probably heard the word a million times in skincare ads, supplements, or health talks. But what exactly is collagen, and why is it so important for your body? And more importantly, can you actually boost collagen naturally through food? Let's find out together. Let's start with the basics. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's like the glue that holds everything together: your skin, bones, muscles, joints, and even your blood vessels. In fact, the word collagen comes from a Greek word that literally means glue. Imagine your skin as a mattress. Collagen is the strong spring inside that keeps it firm and bouncy. As you age, those springs get weaker and fewer. And that's when you start to see wrinkles, sagging skin, joint pain, and slower healing. Now here's the thing. Your body naturally produces collagen, but the production starts to slow down as early as your mid-20s. Stress, sugar, pollution, smoking, and poor diet can speed up the breakdown even more. That's why giving your body the right nutrients to build collagen is super important. So, how does collagen actually work? Think of it like a construction project. Your body uses three main amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, to build collagen fibers. But it also needs helper nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and copper to hold everything together. When you eat collagen-rich foods or foods that help your body make collagen, you're giving it the raw materials to rebuild and repair. All right, now let's talk food. Here are some natural collagen-boosting foods that can help your body stay strong, youthful, and flexible from the inside out. First is bone broth. Let's start with the classic bone broth. It's basically collagen in liquid form. When bones and connective tissues are simmered for hours, they release gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that your body uses to produce collagen. A warm cup a few times a week can make a big difference for your joints, skin, and gut health. Next is fish and fish skin. Fish, especially with the skin on, is a fantastic source of collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline. Salmon, sardines, and tuna are great options. Even the fish bones and scales contain collagen, so when you make a fish soup or stew, don't throw them away. Next are eggs. Egg whites are loaded with proline, one of the key amino acids your body needs to make collagen. They also provide sulfur, which helps your body form stronger, more stable collagen fibers. Next is chicken. Ever noticed how many collagen supplements come from chicken? That's because chicken's connective tissues are rich in collagen. Eating chicken soup, especially with the skin or cartilage, helps supply your body with collagen-building nutrients. Next are leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other dark leafy greens are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which protect collagen from breaking down. They also help your body make new collagen naturally. Next are citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes, all rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is like the glue activator. Without it, your body can't link collagen fibers properly. A glass of lemon water in the morning is a simple collagen-friendly habit. Next are berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They don't just taste amazing. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. These help protect existing collagen and promote the formation of new fibers. Next are avocados. Avocados contain vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants that fight collagen damage caused by free radicals. They also help keep your skin hydrated and elastic. Next are nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, almonds, and cashews, all high in zinc and copper. These minerals are like construction supervisors that help your body assemble collagen efficiently. Next are tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage and supports collagen strength. Cooked tomatoes, like in soups or sauces, actually boost lycopene absorption. Next are carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which repairs damaged skin and helps rebuild collagen tissues. They're great for maintaining skin firmness and smoothness. Next is green tea. Green tea has antioxidants called catechins that protect collagen from breaking down and reduce inflammation. 1 or 2 cups a day can support healthy skin and joints. Next is beef. Beef provides glycine and proline, both essential for collagen production. Opt for grass-fed beef when possible. It's higher in nutrients that support healthy skin and bones. Others are sweet potatoes, rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. They help your body renew skin cells and maintain collagen structure. Next are mangoes and papayas. These tropical fruits are loaded with enzymes and vitamin C that help collagen synthesis and prevent damage from UV exposure. Now that you know the foods, let's talk about how to make your collagen last longer. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Sugar binds to collagen fibers, making them stiff and weak, a process called glycation. Protect your skin from excessive sun exposure. UV rays can break down collagen faster than aging. Sleep well. Collagen regenerates while you rest. Stay hydrated. Water keeps collagen fibers flexible. And don't forget exercise. Strength training and walking help stimulate collagen production in muscles and bones. So, if you really want to boost collagen naturally, focus on a balanced diet with a mix of protein sources like fish, eggs, and chicken, vitamin C-rich fruits, antioxidant veggies, and minerals from nuts and seeds. Over time, your skin will feel firmer, your joints will move easier, and you'll feel stronger from the inside out. Remember, collagen is not just about beauty. It's about structure, strength, and support throughout your whole body. Every bite you take can help your body rebuild itself, one collagen fiber at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who cares about their health. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.